Hello there. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to break and continue in loops. Well, break is used to exit the loop and your continue is used to skip the current loop. So we will understand that how we can implement it in our JavaScript step by step. Let's start. So let's first understand the working of break, right? So let's create a loop here, that is for loop. Inside of this, I will say that let I equals to 0 and I is less than 10 and I plus plus I plus plus sorry I plus plus. Now inside of this I will write my code, that is clog and I want to get all the I number, that is from 0 to 10, right? So it will write 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, right? Let's check on our console. You can see I'm getting 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Fine. Now if I use the break in this particular loop, what will happen? So let's first create a condition. If I equals to 5, in that condition just break. Fine. Else do what? You just print the value of I. Fine. Yeah. Now let's see that whether it is working or not and how it will work. Well, as per the logic, what will happen, that your I will start from 0. I will start from 0. It will keep running and checking that if I is equals to 5 or not. If not, then it will continue printing this index value, that is I. So 2, 3, 4. Now it's the time for 5. Now when it check that I equals to 5, and it will normally break. Break means what? It will stop the loop when I equals to 5. Let's check. You can see I'm just getting 5 different values, that is 0 1 2 3 4, but not getting 5 and the further values like the earlier. Why it happened? Because your break statement has stopped the loop. Fine. So this is how your break works. Now let's see the same thing with the continue. How this continue works? Well, if I write the continue here is instead of using the break, what will happen? Let's check. You can see I'm getting a lot of values here, right? But there's one thing which you need to notice is that here it is 0 1 2 3 4, and then suddenly it went to 6 7 8 and 9. It has skipped the 5. Why? Because I put the condition that if I equals to 5, when the value of I is equals to 5, in that condition you continue, and your continue does what? It simply skips the line of code, skips that particular loop, right? Yeah. So this is how it works. Now you just need to remember that break does what? It stops and your continue skips, right? So it depends that in what condition you need the break and in what condition you need continue. Break are normally used when we want to finish the execution of the loop again and again when the particular condition comes, and continue is used when we want to skip that particular execution of the loop for the particular condition, and we want the rest of the execution to work properly. Fine. So this is how you work with the break and the continue in your JavaScript and in your loops. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. If you do, then make sure that you like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, goodbye.